which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
Wow, okay.
The Llano, NOAA Weather Radio Roundup.
Alright, so I've completely lost the station. Almost, but holy crap. I'm gonna mark this in voice text because I obviously have lost the station, so can't record it.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Llano County until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in over the Fall Creek drainage basin. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kingsland, Llano, Buchanan Dam, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Buchanan Lake Village, Highland Haven, Stowells, Lone Grove, Bluffton, Babyhead, Toe, and Sunrise Beach Village. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
So, yeah, obviously, I mean, there you go. Let me actually see if I'm still getting...
3 p.m.
Man, it would be nice if I could get Llano this clear.
Times for today. Low tide at 4:35
It's
p.m.
Bay City. It's just... Well, darn it.
Temperature at Galveston entrance was 88 degrees. To fly through South Central Texas east after midnight.
Victoria?
Chance of rain
It's like 100 miles away.
Sunday, chance of showers and thunderstorms in the
There's
afternoon.
Austin.
Friday,
Seguin.
once Tuba, 82.
WG523.
Your weather synopsis day.
Dehanis.
Showers and thunderstorms. Hot, lows in the lower
And obviously
70s.
San Antonio.
Friday,
So yeah, I unfortunately cannot get Llano, unfortunately, or apparently. Oh, of course, there it is.
at 12:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated
Come on, stay with me.
producing heavy rain in over the Fall Creek drainage basin. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding.
No. No. No! Man. Wow, that's weird hearing Gainesville. Alright, that's it for that, I think. Yeah, so it's weird hearing Gainesville because obviously my channel 6 at home, in Lawrenceville, was in FFC land. Channel 6 in FFC land was Gainesville. And yeah, I'd always hear it, obviously, because whatever, SBRs, observations. Anyways, it's like 12:47 in the morning and I don't know how to talk. So, peace.